Good morning. Good morning, traders, and welcome to another trading session here at Trademy.com. This is Kyriakos Harilao talking from the Forex trading desk of Trademy.com. I would like to personally welcome any newcomers. I see Alexander. So Alexander, welcome to the trading room. I think it's your second time here. You were here yesterday. May I catch your name yesterday as well? I would like to personally welcome you and I hope you enjoy this. I see also online Adrian, I see Alan, I see Anne-Marie. Welcome, Anne-Marie. I see George. Good morning, George. How are you? I see Jeff. Hello, Jeff. I see Jenna. Good morning, Jenna. Very nice to have you here. I also see Patrick and Stephen. For the moment, more people are joining us as the time passes. So let's go, guys, straight into action and check what are the brand new positions that I have traded today. As you can see, position number one. Before I start explaining my positions, I need to say that today, guys, I see a mixture of buy and sell signals on all the pairs. So I don't receive confirmations from the trades I have placed. I don't receive a consensus of the signals of the trades I have placed for all the pairs. However, we will trade them and see what we can get out of them, as we always do. So, starting from Aussie dollar, as you can see, I have initiated a short position. So my first trade I have placed is a short position on Aussie dollar. I have shorted that at 0.7187 with a stop loss at 0.71387 and a take profit at 0.70467. Guys, I think I will need to bring my glasses because I'm getting older and I cannot see the numbers so clear. So apologies for that. So welcome, Oscar. Good morning. So you came just right on time, Oscar, because I'm now posting on the chat room my trades. So as I was explaining, the first position that I have entered today is a short position on Aussie dollar at 0.7817, stop loss 0.71387, and a take profit at 0.7467. So good morning, Oscar, and welcome to our live trading room. Now, before I continue, I need to stress out once again that here at Trademy.com, I'm just showing you how I'm personally trading. Good morning, Oscar, and welcome. So it's at your own discretion, guys, to choose any of my trades or none of my trades to follow them. However, in case you decide to follow me, have in mind that if you see a negative number on the latest position, it means that if you decide to follow us now, you will get a better price. And when I say at the latest position, I mean on Euro Yen, I have 3 positions. The bigger one, the bigger position size is the latest position. So if, for example, you decide now to follow me on my short position on Euro Yen, now you will get it at a better price than what I did, but you need to adopt the same stop loss and TPs. So the second position for the moment, I have a net short position on Euro Yen at 129.513, stop loss 130.083, take profit 129.163, and automatically you can see the next hedging position for Aussie dollar, the level of entry, stop loss TP, and the next buy stop hedging order for Euro Yen, entry level, stop loss TP. The third trade that I have today, I have a long position on Euro dollar. I have entered long at 1.15497, stop loss at 1.14927, and a take profit at 1.15847. The next one, I have entered a short position, and by the way, for Euro dollar, you can see the corresponding hedging sell stop order below. I repeat that you can use the Excel I provided you. in order to calculate the exact position size of the next hedging order. So I have a hedging order, as you can see, at these levels. So the next trade I have is a short position on pound Aussie. Yesterday, if you remember, we took 2 times long positions. Both trades on pound Aussie hit TP 2 times. Today I have entered short positions. So I have shorted pound Aussie at 1.86293. Stop loss 1.86863 and TP 1.85943. Okay, so, and automatically you can see also the next hedging buy stop order in case it goes the opposite way with the exact entry level TP and stop loss. The next one is I'm net short pound yen at 148.097, stop loss 148.667, and TP 147.747. Next one, I have long positions on pound dollar, so I entered long pound dollar at 1.31969, stop loss 1.31399, and take profit 1.32319. Next one, I have entered also long on the Kiwi at 0. I definitely need to bring my glasses tomorrow, guys. 0.64850, stop loss 0.64280, and TP 0.65200. Next one, I have entered long positions on dollar CAD. In the meantime, for every pair you can see the corresponding hedging order, so I don't need to repeat that. So the next one, I have also entered long positions on dollar CAD. Entry price was 1.3353. Stop loss 1.29783. And TP 1.3703. Next one, I have entered also long positions on USD CHF at 0.98849. Stop loss 0.98279. And TP at 0.99199. And the last trade I have placed today is a long position on dollar yen, and exercise price was 112.273, stop loss 111.703, TP 112.623. Now, as I said, if we look on the charts, I have entered the short position on Aussie dollar. We see contradicting results on the 50-minute chart today on all the pairs. So I try to follow the majority. And since my price action is king, I follow the price action. Now on Aussie dollar, we see a bearish moving averages set up. You see that the price currently on the MA of 200 periods, which is a very strong, I repeat, it's a very strong resistance level for intraday traders. So I decided to short it a bit below that. Okay. I have bullish confirmation signals on parabolics, bullish on MACD, bullish on RSI, and neutral on the ADX. However, I'm trading the price, so that's why I have entered short positions. If the price breaks and makes new daily highs, I have my buy stop order, we are going higher. But it would be very interesting to see how it will react on the very strong intraday resistance level of the 50-minute chart MA 200 periods. Now, for Euro Yen, I'm net short. The problem is that the price has entered a very narrow trading range for the past 2-3 hours. Bearish setup on the MAs, bearish confirmation of the parabolic. Depending on what price this candle will close, we might get a bearish confirmation as well from MACD. And I also receive a bearish confirmation from RSI. However, the trend, it's a very weak directional movement, since the ADX is well below 20, so this does not confirm, but the majority of the signals confirm short positions for Euro Yen, and that's why we have net short. Now, for Euro Dollar, bullish price action signals. Bullish setup on the MAs, bearish setup on the parabolic, bearish MACD, bearish RSI, neutral ADX. So you see another pair that we don't have confirmation. Pound Aussie. I'm short on Pound Aussie. Okay, we have a bullish setup. We have a bullish setup on the moving averages, okay, but since the price has lost MA50, I suspect that it will continue further down. As you can see, it's very close also to our TP, so we will see how it goes. Next one, Pound Yen. Bearish setup on the MAs, bearish parabolic, bearish MACD, bearish RSI, but no confirmation. Very weak negative directional and very weak positive directional movement. I definitely want the red line to go above 20 again in order to say that we have a strong trend. So, but since the majority indicating short positions, I have entered net short. Pound dollar. Now, same situation for pound dollar, apart except the price action, bullishness on the MAs. I have a long position. If, however, it breaks daily lows again, then I believe that we will reapproach the MA of 200 periods. That's why we have our buy stop, our sell stop order at this level here. Next one, long dollar cut. The price is trading above MA 200 periods, but we didn't have the so-called golden cross, so the MAs do not confirm. However, since it is trading above the MAs and the majority of the moving averages are above the MA 200, I decided to enter long positions, confirmation on MACD, confirmation on RSI, and also we have a good confirmation. Now it's declined slightly, but I believe that the price will continue to go up. Both yellow and green lines are above 20. Next one, I have entered long positions on dollar cut, okay? Bullish setup on the MAs, bullish parabolics, no confirmation from MACD, confirmation from RSI, confirmation from ADX. So I went with the majority and I have entered long positions. Next one, dollar cut. Bearish confirmation on the MAs, bullish MACD, bullish RSI, bullish ADX. I have entered long positions, but is not confirmed by the actual price action. And the last one, I have entered long positions on dollar yen. Again, we have bearish price action moving averages, but we have bullish parabolic, bullish MACD, bullish RSI, no confirmation on NDX. So as you can see, the majority of the pairs are indicating mixed signals today. We have placed our trades and we will see what we will get at the end out of them. What we will get out of them at the end of the day. So these are the trading pairs. As you can see here, I'm letting them here. Be careful to calculate correctly. If you decide to follow me, your next position size of the trade, I have provided you with the Excel spreadsheet. You decide at your own personal discretion whether to follow me or not. And you decide also the initial position size of the first trade that you will trigger. My initial position size is 5 lots. Yours, it's up to you to decide. That's why I have provided the Excel spreadsheet. So the position size, you get it from the Excel spreadsheet. The exercise prices, stop loss and TPs, you can see them live in our live trading room. Now, regarding news announcements for today, we have a Carney speech in a few moments. So we are patiently waiting at 12 o'clock, actually, in approximately 45 minutes from now. We have Bank of England's Governor Carney speech. And then at 12:30, good morning, Alan, and welcome. And then at 12:30 p.m., we have good news announcements for the US dollar and the Canadian dollar. Consumer price index for the US dollar and housing price index for the Canadian dollar. So we are expecting some volatility on the GBP, on the dollar, and on the Canadian dollar for today. Okay, these are the news, these are the updates, guys. You are watching my screen. Let's give a pass on Elif to see how, Elif, are you ready? Let's see how the European markets have opened.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Trademy's live trading show here with Elif and Kyriakos. Let's see what the indices are doing this morning. Yesterday, we had a great day and we closed $27,000. And today, we will get also some of this amount, hopefully. The markets are showing quite nice movements and I'm quite positive on it. So, guys, anybody of you make some nice money yesterday? Anybody make some nice money? So, okay, great. Let's see, I just opened, I wrote on chat, I told you on chat, I just opened the gold trade. Gold is very, very nice moving. As you remember yesterday, Ellen, you asked me yesterday afternoon before we closed the session what would be the next step, and I said go long. And look there, it went up yesterday. When we talked, it was around 1,000, it was below 1,190, and now it's already at 1,197. So a huge move yesterday evening, and this move, I believe, will continue. If we check the, let me show you. There we go. There we go. As you know, we see here the squeeze of gold. It's been now several days, almost 2 months since 15th of August approximately, that gold is traded in the same price range. It's traded in the same price range. It's moving between 1,206 and 1,185 fish. This is the range in which gold is moving. It might move a bit higher or a bit lower, but most of the time it's moving in this range, and you can see this very clear. We are looking at the daily chart and it's very, very clear. And yesterday I told you it was over here. I told you it is in a very low level. We need to go long. And look at this. It dropped. It gained yesterday throughout the day almost $10 on profit between yesterday and today. $10 of profit. It's a huge amount, guys, on one asset, and I believe it will continue. And I think that today it will cross the 1,200 range. In general, I have to say, guys, we have always to check the patterns, the price range, and the indicators. It's like cooking. However, I will explain you later on what I mean when I say it's like cooking. Trading, it's like cooking. I will explain you later on. But to go there, we start first with some trades. Let me see. Guys, on Italy 40, I'm shorting. I'm just shorting Italy 40 right now. I went short on Italy 40. And my take profit on Italy 40 is, here we go, 19,356. This is my take profit. Let me see. As you know, guys, we are sometimes adjusting our take profits throughout the day, but on Italy 40, it looks quite like the short is calling us. Short is calling us. As you know, on Italy 40, we are facing also several issues with the budgeting, and there it is quite expected that we see some down movement. So on DAX, I don't see a nice entry level right now. It is in the middle Bollinger Band. When we check the 5 minutes chart, it might go further up until 11,630. But if I go here, I don't see here the confirmation of it. So that I will leave by side for now and see later on how I will go over it. France 40, the same picture as DAX. If we put them together, let's put them next to each other. Here, this is France 40. Here's France 40 on 5 minutes chart. And then we put also DAX here on 5 minutes chart. This is DAX. This is France 40. They look identical. They really look identical. Even the indicators, everything looks identical. I'm thinking, guys, I will go long on DAX and on France 40. I just entered a long position on both, and I will go for a take profit for DAX on 11,630 for DAX. This is my take profit. And for France 40, I will go for a take profit on France 40 at 5,158. This is my take profit. And hopefully we will get soon over there. So we have so far 4 positions open. We opened the gold position, which currently is not moving well, and I'm expecting in a short while to increase my exposure. I will observe it a bit more and increase eventually my exposure. Italy 40, the same picture. We went short and it has a pullback. And on DAX and on France 40, it's been some time to trade France 40. We are long. We went long on France 40 and on Germany 30, which is the DAX. As you know, guys, we have a platform name of an asset and the initial listed name on the exchange. So if I talk about DAX, I mean Germany 30. DAX is the name on the exchanges, and we offer it as Germany 30 because it's the 30 biggest shares of Germany. There we go. On DAX, we are already in profit with $300. Went quite fast, nice one. On France 40, which is the CAC 40, we paid off the spread and we are also in profit. On DAX, we are expecting a profit of $1,600 with this take profit we have. On France 40, it's approximately $700. We have to see and go for a possibility. On gold, I will wait a bit more and I might enter a new trade on gold. Let me see. On gold, I have to see, I have to read the pattern over there and then I will decide what I will do. On DAX, we are making already $500. On CAC, we are also very close. And when you check this charts, guys, you see they are identical. They are identical. It's the European market. No fundamental was announced yet except of the Spanish data. And now we are here getting the same money from the same movement. Let's see on Italy 40. On Italy 40, we went long. No, we went short and it's moving a bit up. It's okay, but here we see how it will develop and react. Italy 40, it's okay for me. No big deal. I'm just checking gold, how we will react on gold. Yep. Guys, as you know, sometimes we adjust our entry level, our take profits from time to time. Whoa, Ellen, you made $700 on gold. Good job, man. Good job. Respect. I'm glad that you managed it. And let me see who else managed to make some. You got the same color, Ellen. You got the same color. It's a nice color. It's a very nice color. I highly recommend this color. Let's get a bit more money today out of the bottle. And I might see already the next possibility on gold. I might enter again a gold position. No, on gold, I will wait a bit more and I will explain you what I'm waiting for. Guys, as you remember, I told you trading is a bit like cooking, guys. Trading is a bit like cooking. When you are cooking, you have a bunch of spices. You have a bunch of ingredients, bunch of spices, and you decide to make something. And to get the best flavor, you can't just get all the spices and put them. Let's say you want to make some. Hello, Mary. Hello, how are you? We have some trades open, Mary. We have a DAX position open. We have a France 40 position, Italy 40, and also a gold position. So on DAX and France 40, we are performing quite good. Italy 40 needs a bit time, but now that you are here and joined us, I'm sure Italy 40 will bring some profit. So going back to the cooking show. On a chart, you need to understand the indicators, the patterns, and the price action. So it's exactly like with cooking. When you have a pattern, You have to understand, okay, which indicator I can implement on this pattern to get the best result. You can't just put every indicator into one pattern and into one chart and say, okay, this is the best result. Or you can't put all indicators in and you expect that as much indicators you put, as much the result will be better. No, it's exactly like cooking. If you take a bunch of spices and put them all onto the meat, it doesn't mean that it will be nice. You know, imagine getting oregano, pepper, chili, and sugar, and then also some cinnamon. It will be not nice. But if you take just cinnamon, for example, and sugar and put it on apples, it might be a nice mixture. You know that. And it's the same with trading. You just need to choose the correct indicator to the correct moment suitable for the pattern. This is the secret of trading. A very simple secret, but this is it. It's just like that. You have to understand the pattern and implement accordingly your indicators, your selection of indicators. So, and when we are looking now on gold, I'm here on gold, and I told you that gold is not performing very well, but I might increase my exposure. And this is what I'm still telling you, and I will most probably increase my exposure any moment soon. So we are looking now on the 5 minutes chart. We see in general, we see that we had a huge move up. We see that we had a pullback. Then we see that we tried again at the same level. And then we had a drop. We entered at this level actually. Then we had a drop, which we are right now. And now we have to decide, you and me guys, we have to decide if and when we enter again for a long position. As you remember, yesterday we traded again gold. Was it gold? Was it gold or Italy 40? I think it was on Italy 40 that we hedged. I think we hedged yesterday on Italy 40. No, it was gold. It was gold. It was not Italy 40. It was gold in the afternoon. We had a drop and we had a long position on gold. Then a drop happened, and on the drop we shorted it, we hedged it, and on the lower point we just closed the short position and entered again. No, we didn't enter again a buy position. We just left it there, and it recovered very soon and hit our take profit on buy position as well within a very short time, and we made quite nice of money over there. This was yesterday's result, and I think today we will have a similar setup here on gold, and we will make some money also here. So guys, if something is not clear for all of you guys newbies, Alexander, you are new. Hey Daniel, welcome back. Osis, for all of you guys, if something what I'm telling is not not clear, do not hesitate to use the chat function to discuss about it. That's very important. Also, Oscar, for you to know, if you want to know something or something is not clear, just type on chat and I will explain it again. And now I'm getting ready to enter again a gold position. Yes, our DAX and France 40 position, CAC position are behaving very nice. Italy 40 needs still some time to develop. On gold, There we go. On DAX, we are making right now $1,000. What happened on DAX? Come on. We are making $1,000 on DAX. Our take profit is at 1,600. I will leave this position. I will not close it directly now. No, I will leave it. It will get there very soon. $1,600 I'm expecting from this position. So go back to gold, and on gold I might enter again a position here. Okay, on gold. Yes, guys, I will go long on gold again. Let me see. Yes, guys, I'm buying gold again. Here we go. I just bought gold again, and I will go again for a 50 pips move. So I entered at 1,197.60, and I will exit at 1,198.10. This is the point where I will exit it. So on my DAX position, I'm making right now $800. On my CAC position, I'm making $1,080. Will be a nice position. I'm expecting a nice movement here and nice profits. So looking forward to hit some take profits. Kyriakos, what about you? How you are going? How your trades are behaving so far?
So welcome back, guys. Thank you, Eli, for the pass. The trades are still developing, guys. So as you can see, we have reversed some positions. Some trades are still developing. I see that we have newcomers. Alexander, how are you? I see Alexander. Hello, Alexander. Just type hi in the chat room so that we know that you are listening to us and, of course, participating in our group here in our live trading room. Good morning, Daniel. I think you were not here yesterday, and correct me if I'm wrong. So welcome back. Hello, Alexander. Alexander, where are you from? From which country are you? Alexander has just joined us. I think it's his second day. So on behalf of Trademy family, I would like to welcome you. You are from the UK. Daniel is also from the UK. Daniel Wright, you are also from the UK. So we have two people from the UK. So what about Anne-Marie? Anne-Marie, where are you from? Just type Sweden. Sweden, Elif? Okay, Anne-Marie, just type where are you from in the chat room. I also see Francis. Francis, where are you from? Just type in the chat room your country so that we know you are from Sweden, Anne-Marie. Okay, Elif has just informed me. I forgot it. I'm sorry about that. So it's nice to have people from all the nationalities in our live trading room. What about Francis? Francis, where are you from? What's your country, Francis? I see also Mr. Jonginder Zing, Australia. So we have from the UK, from Sweden, from Australia. What about Mr. Singh? Mr. Singh, you are also a newcomer. I would like you to type in the chat room your country of residence. I see also Mr. Olabanji, and I hope I'm pronouncing the name correct. So, Mr. Olabanji, where are you from? Just type your country. Correct. Okay, I'm glad about that. Where are you from, Mr. Olabanji? Nigeria, but you live in Canada. Also, we have other people from Canada. I think it's Stevens from Canada, who currently is, unfortunately, he's not present today. So we have from Sweden, from UK, from Australia, from Canada. Let's see, guys, what about Rachel? Rachel, where are you from? Also, Steven, is from Canada, I think, right? Steven, are you from Canada as well? Rachel, can you type your country of residence in the trading room, guys? All right. Let's see, guys. So, UK, Rachel is from UK. Okay, so we have 3 people from the UK. That's great, that's great. Be careful, guys, from the UK. I think a strong storm is coming the next few days, right? There is a strong storm developing in the UK, so be careful, guys, and I hope you end up well with it. Daniel says Yoginder is from New Zealand. All right, there we go. We have from Australia, we have from New Zealand. Mr. Yoginder, what are your hobbies? For example, let's meet each other better. I mean, what are your hobbies? I like, for example, definitely having the kids and wife sleeping and sitting on the sofa on my own, quiet and watching TV. That's my hobby. I have 2 small kids, for example, and football, of course, Daniel. I know that is football, and shall I guess your team as well? I think we have the same team as well. We know that we are Liverpool fans, Daniel, right? Exactly. LP, Liverpool. So, Mr. Younginder, what are your hobbies? I mean, do you love any sport? I think New Zealand is, correct me if I'm wrong, I think is cricket the most famous sport in New Zealand? I think so. Cricket or rugby, something like that. You have a good team, I think, in rugby. Correct me if I'm wrong. Now, okay, guys, the trades that I have placed so far, as you can see from my screen, I have entered a short position on Aussie dollar. I have entered a net long, I have reversed to net long positions on euro yen. I have long position on euro dollar. Also, I have a short position on pound Aussie, net short on pound yen, long on pound dollar, long on New Zealand, long on dollar CAD, long on dollar CHF, and long dollar yen. All right, Younginder, Mr. Younginder, you are in the best stage of life. So you are a retiree enjoying family members. Exactly. That's called quality life. I hope at some point I reach your level as well. You have, okay, this is nice what you write, and congratulations. It's an amazing thing to enjoy life with family members retired. Good, good. So, how many of you have followed us on any of our Forex trades? Any of our Forex trades. Remember that in order for you to understand how exactly I'm trading and calculate the correct position sizes, you definitely need to get the Excel spreadsheet that calculates position sizes. The entry levels, you can get them from our trading room. So Daniel, on which trades are you following me now? If any. Euro USD. So you have entered a long position on Euro USD. Are you pound dollar? Okay, pound dollar. Let me check. Pound dollar. I'm long pound dollar. Have you used the Excel in order to? Yes. Have you used the Excel spreadsheet I have provided in order to calculate the position size of the next order, Daniel? Or not? Okay, it's available. You can get it from your account manager. So, at Trademy. So basically we are long pound dollar and we have a hedging position, as you can see, sell stop. All right, let's see how it works. Good. Also, if you want, you can contact your personal account manager and he will provide you with all the details. So how many of you, anybody else, has anybody else euro dollar and pound dollar from Daniel? Hello, Peter, and welcome to our trading room. Can you hear us, Peter? Peter, just type a yes or a no in the chat room so that we know that you hear us properly. Good morning and welcome, Peter. So, what about the rest of you guys? Daniel followed us on euro, dollar, and pound dollar. What about the rest? What about Alexander? Alexander, have you followed me on any of these trades? Let me repeat that. If you see, you need to check always the biggest position size. So for the moment, if you want to follow me, you need to open a long position on euro yen. If you see a negative number here and you open a long position, it means that you will get it at a much better price than I did. Aussie dollar. Also, Daniel followed me on Aussie dollar. I'm short on Aussie dollar with a buy stop hedging order with the price levels you see here. Okay, great. So what about the rest, guys? Alexander, Anne-Marie, Yonjinder, Oscar, Olabanji, have you followed me on any of these trades? If you haven't, guys, get rid of your fears. Start trading, start making money. So you need to take the next step. Allen is following the Kiwi. All right, let's check. We are long on the Kiwi, Allen, and using my Forex hedging risk technique, in case it goes down, I have also a sell stop order here. Looking good. Excellent. Excellent. All right. Allen, are you using the Excel spreadsheet for the position size calculation that I have provided? Are you using that, or you just put the trades you're trying? Okay. I will explain how it works. It's just used for the position size calculation. So, current positions, and then we will give again a pass to Elif to check for any updates. So for the moment, I have a short position on Aussie dollar. I have a net long position on euro yen. What do I mean net long? What is the difference between long and net long? If I have only one position, for example, on euro and dollar, I'm long. I don't have any reversal positions. If I say net long, it means that the initial position has been reversed. You see here, sell, and then again buy. So because the positions that have a buy are much more if you add them up compared to the positions sizes that I'm short. So I'm net long euro yen, I'm long euro dollar, I'm short pound Aussie, I'm net short pound yen. Why I'm net short pound yen? Because you see here a sell of 5 lots, a buy of 10 lots, and a sell of 18 lots. If you add, the short positions are more in size than the buy positions. So I'm net short on pound yen. I'm long on pound dollar, long on the Kiwi, long on the dollar CAD, long on dollar CHF, and long on dollar yen. And of course, I have the equivalent hedging positions with the exact entry levels, stop losses, and TPs, as you can see now. So that's all I have for the moment. I haven't closed yet a single position since the beginning of the trading room. Don't forget that. Okay, one moment. Okay, we go to Elif. Okay, Elif, let's go.
Guys, we hit our first take profit for today. Took us some time, but now the market started to move and we made $2,500 on our gold position. I told you gold will catch up, and it did. It did indeed catch up, and we made our first $2,500. Ching ching, guys, we made our first $2,500, and we have another one position on gold running. You know that we have another position on gold running. Let me see what's going on with our other gold position. Also on Italy 40, we are making $1,235 $1,235 on our Italy 40 position. We have a take profit at $3,000. I will adjust on it. Let me see to adjust. Now I will leave that for the moment. We are making $1,200. Will be good. Let's see. Looks nice, guys. We make money. The only assets which we should have closed and we didn't on time, but it just needs a bit time and it will come up again. It's France and DAX. And DAX was up to $1,000 profit. I let it go. I didn't close it. I should have closed, but it's okay. We get there again. Let's see, guys. We'll be there. So there we go. Italy 40. Nice one. Italy 40 will give us some profits. Yes, it's going there. It's going there. Mary, did you enter the Italy 40 position? Tell me, please tell me that you did. Please tell me that you did. However, on Italy 40, I have to see when we break through this level over here. I will make it a bit bigger and I will explain you guys. If we break through this level at 19,375-ish, yes, 19,375. When we break below 19,375, I might start going for a positive stop loss. It's been some days that we discussed about it, but we didn't apply it, and we will apply, or we need to apply slowly. So we are left with a DAX position, a CAC position, Italy 40 position, and a gold position. We closed already one gold position, and we are looking for the next opportunity to close our next gold position, and it's coming close. We almost paid off the spread. Here we go. Come on, baby. We need a bit more. Okay. However, we'll get there, guys. We'll get there. It's a nice one. Yeah. Now the market looks interesting. It's a narrow moving market. In these narrow moving markets, we have to accept from time to time entries and exits accordingly, like not very big take profits and not very big profits, but frequent trades. This is what we see now. Now in 6 minutes, we are going to have news announcement, and during the news announcement, we will see most probably some volatility and react based on the volatility, guys. So like DAX is the best example for that. What I mean, that we have to work with narrow take profits. I put my take profit at $1,600. It didn't reach that level. It's reached up to $1,000 profit, and now it dropped back. It was a pull and it dropped back, and this is what I say. Sometimes we have to adjust our take profits and don't stick on it. Don't stick on it. We will adjust them and see. And this is valid in both directions. We might correct it higher and we might move it down. Gold is moving nicely, guys. Where is our gold position? Yes, come on, gold, make me smile. Gold, make me smile. So looking forward, gold make me smile. Where is the gold trade? We almost paid off our spread on gold. We opened another trade on the correct time. We got profits from that trade, and now we are looking for the first trade to get also money from the first trade. On DAX, there is still hope. I believe on DAX. You know, guys, you know me very well. For all of you who are observing us, I close sometimes positions in loss. I accept losses. This is totally okay. It belongs to the trading habit and to traders, that you have to accept losses. When you see that a trade doesn't go based on your direction, based on your analysis in your direction, then you have to accept the losses and close them. That's simple as that. Simple as that. Let's see how our trades will continue, and we will come back. So, Kyriakos, I interrupted you. Please continue.
All right, thank you very much, Elif. So, guys, at any minute, Carney's speech will start. Okay, so my eyes are on pound dollar, of course. I'm monitoring pound dollar. Let's see how the pound will react to Carney's speech. Now we are getting ready again to reverse our positions to short on euro yen. As you can see, for the moment we are net long. So Carney's speech will start. Stay with us, guys, and we will update you if we hit any TPs or if we reverse any positions. The latest development is that we have reversed again to long positions on euro yen. We definitely want the price to get out of this trading range. So now we have a bearish setup on the MAs, as you can see, but we are long. We used to have good confirmations from ADX and RSI, but now these conditions have changed. Remember that markets, especially Forex, are changing instantly, so we need to adapt to the changes and take them in our advantage and make money. That's exactly what we are doing for the past 3-4 months here at Trademy.com with you guys. So I'm closely monitoring the trades. I definitely want euro yen to get out of this range, either break to the up or break to the down and eventually make money. I don't want it to keep ranging for too much longer. We need to see directional volatility on the pairs. If we don't have directional volatility on the pairs, that's a not good thing for intraday Forex traders. And this is actually what kills intraday traders. We want to see directional volatility. What do I mean by directional volatility? Volatility with strong direction, either to the downside or to the upside. Now, if we see volatility with no direction, that's not a good thing for us. Okay? But as I said many times, you need to be patient, keep calm, and follow, of course, Trademy.com. Now, talking about follow, don't forget our social media presence. It is very important, guys, to follow us on Twitter at #TrademyA. We also have our YouTube channel, as Daniel has mentioned very correctly before. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can see our full sessions. You can download them in case you haven't understand anything and review them as many times as you wish. Also, don't forget our Facebook page at Trademy.trading education. And I want to repeat again that if you don't know how to use moving averages, Bollinger Bands and stuff, then you need to upgrade your training programs to a higher level. Who is the person responsible for that to assist you on that? Your personal account managers. Now, referring to the newcomers, Alexander, do you know what your personal account manager is? Just type a yes or a no if you know his name. It's your contact person between you and Trademy, and if you would like to arrange a one-to-one session with us, you can do that. The personal account manager you have at Trademy.com, they can arrange for you guys, any one of you, a one-to-one session. Daniel says they can go to the website and see on YouTube in the bottom page. Exactly, our website has all the social media presence and all the details. But if you would like a personal, let's say, service, you need to contact your account manager at Trademy.com. Now, some of you had one-to-one sessions with us. I would like to believe that the feedback we get from them was very positive. So we highly recommend you to have one-to-one session with us, guys. You are learning things that they are not secrets, but definitely cannot be released publicly. So I have 15 years of trading experience, trained over 4,000 traders. So there are some things that we need to discuss on a one-to-one session. Daniel had one-to-one session with both of us, and he finds it very useful. Thank you very much, Daniel, for your kind words. Also, others had one-to-one session, and the feedback we get was very useful. So we highly encourage you guys to arrange one-to-one session with us, because theory is one thing, and how to see it and apply it from experienced traders like us, the mentors, it's another thing. So that's why we are here for you for one-to-one sessions, and we are always here to assist you in the chat room if you have any questions. So for the moment, we are monitoring the developments of the Forex positions. Believe me, I don't care less. I don't care what it writes there. I care what it's ending in my pocket. So it might sound as a big figure, 11,000, but compared to the account value is not even 0.01% of my account value. So I don't care about that. What I care is to make money. So that's all I have for the moment. As you can see, we are approaching to reverse our positions again to short. And as I said, I would like to see Euro Yen eventually getting out of this range soon enough so that we can take profits today and make money, guys. So we are getting ready to initiate our hedging position of the sell stop on Euro Yen. It is not triggered yet, but you see the price is very close to it. Let's see how Euro Yen will develop. Carney's speech has started, and we have already started to see a small decline on pound dollar. Let's see how the pound dollar trade is doing. Let's see if it will manage and hold on the MA50, or if it will break, make new daily lows, and I'm ready with a gun to shoot with a sell stop order, hedging sell stop order, and of course it will continue its fall. Most probably approach again the MA of 200 periods. Our TP is a bit above it. So just watch it develop, keep calm. You see my trades, you see my hedging positions, and we will see how it will develop. So I repeat, Carney's speech has started, actually started 3 minutes ago, and it will be very interesting to see how the reaction would be on our pound pairs. Remember that we are still long on pound dollar, we are short on pound yen, and we are short, net short on pound yen to be more correctly, and we are also short on pound Aussie. So that's all I have for you guys for the moment. I'm letting the trades develop, and we will see how the day will develop. No doubt that we will make money. It is a matter of when we will make it, and I hope it will be made during our LTR live trading room session. So that's all I have for the moment. Elif, do you have any further updates you believe is important to say to us? Okay, that's the end of the live trading session for the morning session. Some educational webinars will start. We have requests from you guys to play the 5 steps of how to prepare for an intraday trading day. We have played this webinar a lot of times, and we will do that again today. For webinars, you are kindly requested to take your own personal notes and even ask us questions in the chat room during the webinar's presentation. We are here to always answer your questions and assist you to become better traders using our one-to-one sessions. Okay, thank you very much for your participation. We will see you in a short while if we have any updates, or we will see you in approximately 4 hours for our afternoon session. In the meantime, as I said, educational webinars will come. Thank you.
Ching guys, we just closed another trade. On gold. We managed to, let me see, you can see my screen. We just closed another gold trade with $1,450 profit, and we increased our morning profits to $3,950, and we will see how soon we will get even more. So guys, stay with us. Hey guys, here I am again. Get ready. We are opening again a long position on gold. We just entered again a long position on gold. Here we go. It's running already, and I will put my take profit on this position at 1,204. At 1,204, I will put my take profit. It's a quite high price for gold. Let's see, I'm aiming with this position approximately a profit of $3,450. Hopefully soon we will hit over here our take profit. Guys, I went long again on gold. And a short reminder for all of you guys, only this week, if you upgrade your course and get a new one, if you upgrade your course, you will get a free one-to-one session, So guys, use this possibility, get your one-to-one session with each update you do, only until the end of this week. It's a unique possibility and an amazing advantage for you. Use it, guys, until the end of the week. Thank you.
Okay guys, as you can see, the trade started to develop very well. We are getting ready to hit take profits on euro yen, pound yen, and euro dollar. So stand by guys, and I believe shortly we will close our positions with profit. We are just 6 pips away from euro yen profit, and we are just 8 pips away, 6 pips from pound yen and 8 pips away from euro yen. So far, we have closed our pound dollar position already with a take profit of $1,750. That's our first profit for the day. But as you can see, more are coming. So you are monitoring my screen, and I will let you know straight away how we are performing. Currently, as you can see, our euro yen position is making us more than $8,500. So it's developing very well for me. And I think we are on a good path to another profitable day here at Trademy.com. There we go, guys. We just closed also our positions on pound yen, increasing our profits for the day to $3,821. Let's see if we will hit also euro yen, and also euro dollar is getting ready to hit. So it's a payout time for us here now. With patience, everything is possible. You just need to be patient, as I have said many times, and eventually patience will pay you off, will pay you out actually. So we are just 8 pips, as you can see, from our TPs on euro yen. So let's go straight to euro yen. There it is, our TPs. As expected, it has broken eventually out of the trading range, currently approaching the MA of 200 periods. So it will be very interesting. There we go, guys. We have just reversed our positions on pound Aussie. So on pound Aussie, let me update you. We have reversed to net long positions on pound Aussie. And we are also getting ready to hit TPs on euro yen. We are now just 6 pips away. Stand by, guys. You are monitoring my screen. The day has developed well for me now. Remember, in the morning I was -11, -$12,000 loss. So as I said, I don't care of what it writes here. All I care is what it ends in my pocket, and it's going to be another profitable day for us. We have already closed positions on pound dollar and pound yen, $3,820. But as you can see, more trades are coming close to profit. So 6 pips on euro yen. So let's see how it will develop. It's going to be any moment now, and I will come back with more good news. Thank you. Okay, traders, we are getting ready for the news announcements affecting the US dollar and the Canadian dollar. So my eyes now are on the dollar CAD long position I currently have. Of course, no need to remind you that because of my Forex trading hedge strategy, I have also a sell stop order. So pending, so my eyes now are on dollar CAD. What we are expecting from dollar CAD and US dollar, we have the CPI for the United States dollar, and we have house price index for the Canadian dollar coming out in approximately 3 minutes from now. So we are monitoring dollar CAD. Currently, we are making a bit more than $750. And it will be very interesting to see live here with you guys how this pair will react. So let's see how it will react. And I think we might see some nice volatility there, and I will update you. Thank you. So guys, a lot of volatility is observed on dollar CAD. As you can see, we have closed positions. There we go, guys. We have closed all the positions. Amazing, amazing. We have closed positions on euro yen with profit, on dollar, on euro yen, on pound Aussie as well. And we have raised our daily profits to a bit more than $7,500. Elif has an update as well. Let's go straight to Elif.
Also here we closed our nice position on DAX, and we increased our position, our profits to $9,000, and we are getting right now ready to open a position on gold. We are going long on gold. Just opened a long position on gold. The volatility is extremely high and very important now. And we entered a new position. We increased our profits to $9,000. Thanks a lot.
Here at the Forex trading desk, as I said, we have closed our positions on euro dollar, on pound Aussie, on euro yen, raising our profits to a bit more than $7,500. So we still have positions. We have reversed our positions to long on Aussie dollar, and also our position on dollar CAD is still valid. So we are left only with 5 pairs, as you can see. Let me revise the positions. We are net long on Aussie dollar. We are long the Kiwi. We are long dollar CAD. We are long dollar yen, and we are long dollar CHF. The news announcements, very bad for the United States. CPI came out worse than expected. Instead of 2.3, it came out at 2.2. And housing price index for the Canadian dollar came out worse than expected, 0.5%. It came out at 0.4%. So bad news for the United States dollar and for the Canadian dollar for the moment. We saw a small spike, but now dollar CAD is recovering to the upside. So let's see how dollar CAD will develop. Thank you very much. Okay guys, another update. We have just reversed our positions on dollar CHF to net short, but we see that Aussie dollar and in Kiwi are also very close to hit our take profit. Let's see, Kiwi is rallying to the upside, guys. Look at that, and we have long positions on the Kiwi. We are just a few pips away. Let's see. Okay, let's go to Elif.
Hey guys, we hit another take profit on gold, guys. We hit another take profit on gold. We just opened it a few minutes ago, and we hit $4,950. We increased our profits to $14,000, and I'm getting ready to open again a gold trade. Let me see. Yes, I'm going again long on gold. Here we go. Just went again long on gold, and then we see. Okay, Kyriakos, go.
Get ready for a take profit also on the Kiwi. We are very close now, just 7 pips away. Also, I repeat that we have reversed to net short positions on dollar CHF, and we have net long positions on Aussie dollar and Kiwi. The news announcements were really against the dollar. So Aussie dollar, euro yen, they have favored the euro, I would say. So Aussie dollar is performing great for the moment. Just a few pips away from our take profit. If we take this take profit, that will be another $1,750. And this means that we will increase our profitability above around to $9,000 for the day. So these are the positions that we have closed today. Let's see how the day will develop. And despite of the quiet morning, you see now in just a few minutes, we closed the number of positions and we have made money. So stand by, guys. Elif, let's go to Elif.
Guys, gold is moving very nicely. We opened another gold trade and our take profit is ready to hit, guys. We are making right now $3,000 on gold and our take profit is at 3,550. Okay, now it has a small drop. Very close, very close. Also, France 40 started to give us some money. Let's see, guys. Let's see. It's a very nice moment. Very, very interesting. But we have to see. We have to be a bit careful with gold. As you know, gold is moving until around 1,200. 7, 8, and it already reached that level, and we have to see if it will break through or if it's a reversal. So we have to be a bit aware and alert of it. Also, guys, just for you to know, a very important update. We offer a free one-to-one session for anybody who will upgrade his course until the end of the week. So until the end of the week, you have the possibility to upgrade your course on any course you are. You can upgrade it and get a free one-to-one session. So have that in mind. Okay, it didn't have hit take profit yet, but we will come back very soon and I will see you then, guys. Hello, guys, there we are again, and we closed another position on gold, $3,550. We increased our profit so far to $17,578. Ching, ching, guys, another position on gold. So let me see, I will look for the next entry, good entry level, and I will enter again gold. Gold is in a very nice move up, and sky looks like the limit for us in this case. Be patient and let's get another entry level on gold to have a nice entry. And have in mind, whoever upgrades until the end of this week, his course will get a free one-to-one session. A free one-to-one session, guys, have that in mind. And we will check in a short while and enter in a short while again gold and get some money on gold, guys. So stay with us and I will let you know when we go again long on gold.
Okay, guys, we are just half a pip away from our take profit on the New Zealand USD position. Let's see, half a pip away exactly. Let's see if we will hit the take profit. 0.5 pips away, $1,750. We just need an uptick and we will hit that take profit. There we go, 0.3 pips now. We missed it by 0.3 pips. Let's see. 0.4 pips now. Come on, we want 21,000. Yeah, there we go, guys. Amazing. There we go, guys. We just closed our Kiwi position and we have increased again today the profits of a bit more than $9,250. Actually, we made $9,273 for the moment. We still have four forex pairs running. Let's go to Aussie dollar. I think is doing great as well. So we will update you if we will have any further developments. Elif, you would like to say something about your gold position?
I just opened again.
Okay, thank you.
Hello guys, what a wonderful day. What a wonderful day, guys. Welcome to our afternoon session here at Trademy.com with me and with Kyriakos here on top of the charts and getting ready to get even more money. Who's with us today? We have few newcomers. Adrian is not a newbie anymore. Alexander, hello. Ellen, Anne-Marie, Basanta, hello Basanta, long time no see. Daniel is with us as always. Fanos, Francis, you saw gold is incredible today. George, Jeff, Jenna, and Join there. And Laura is also with us. Mary, the Italian Princess Mary is with us. Olabanji, yes, Olabanji, right? Kyriakos, it's Olabanji. Ah, okay. Patrick, Rachel, and Sean. Sean, you are new with us. Welcome to our nice trading environment and to our trading family here at Trademy.com. Guys, for all newbies, just for you to know, if you have any questions, type it on chat. We will come back to you and inform you immediately. What we do here at Trademy.com in the afternoon session is mainly after the US opening at 4:30 my time here. Wall Street is opening and we see a high volatility on US indices, and I'm scalping on US indices after 4:30. Until then, most of the time Kyriakos is updating us about the Forex market. For me today was a great day until now. Gold made us really happy, guys. Look at this. Look at this picture. It's so nice. It's so nice. We closed the DAX position and all the rest is gold. We made until now $17,578. A nice amount of money, guys. $17,578 only, almost only on gold. And we have right now another gold trade open. Gold jumped extremely high during the CPI announcements, and we enjoyed this volatility. We have also still an open position on Fonspoti, on CAC, and over there we are making a small profit of $300. Let's see, over there we might close also here in a short while our position to get happy. Nice one, guys, nice one. So let's see. Also very interesting now. Okay, gold started to give us money. Very interesting to know, and nice for you guys. We are planning. Okay. We have a special offer only until the end of this week. A special offer just for you guys. If you update your current trading program you have, no matter in which program you are, if you just updated it, you will get one-to-one session for free for all to offer you if you make the update until the end of this week. Until the end of this week, update your current course, no matter in which course you are. Just by updating, you will get a free one-to-one session with me or Kyriakos. It depends on your wishes. And we'll get it like from next week onwards. We can start with the one-to-one sessions if you like. So on gold we are making right now $2,800. It's a nice one. I have my take profit at around approximately $5,000. We will get there, guys. We will get there. We get the money in there. Gold made a huge movement the last 2 days. It jumped up almost $20. A very big move for 2 days. And we enjoy this move and get money from this move. This is how it should be. So, guys, I will go again long also on DAX. I just opened also a DAX position long. Yep, and already in profit, and I will put here my take profit at 11,675. There we go. There we go. On. Oh, yeah, we are very close to hit also our take profit on France 40. Guys, very close to hit take profit on France 40. Our take profit is at $780. On gold, we are making $2,000. A very nice one, guys. Very close to hit another take profit. Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one. This is how we like to have a trading day. So, however, guys, next week it will be the kick-off of the earning releases. The big banks will release next week their earnings, and you know it, when they release the earnings, what will happen? We will have huge movements on, there we go, get ready, guys. We hit another take profit, get ready, another few minutes, and we will get our take profit on. There we go, we hit our take profit, ching ching, on France 40 with $787. Get a nice one. It's been some time that we haven't traded France 40, and today we got also some profit out of it. Nice one. Now we are looking on the gold position. We will get also on the gold position some money. Back to the earning releases next week. It's the Q3, quarter 3 releases, and the big banks will release their earnings. And this gives a huge push to the indices, guys. You know, it gives a huge push to the indices, and we will trade the indices, you and me, here on Trademy.com. So maybe it's a perfect timing for you guys to get your upgrades on your courses, and we can make a one-to-one session, you and me, or you and Kyriakos, and you learn about how to trade earning releases. It's a perfect timing for that. Having said that, I'm passing now to Kyriakos to give you a small update, and then during the Wall Street opening, I will be back here on this spot and trade with you. So, Kyriakos, go ahead.
So, good afternoon from me as well, guys. So, I would like to personally welcome any newcomers. So I would like to say on my behalf, good afternoon to Son from Canada, to Rachel, to Olabanji, to Mary, to Yonjinder, to Jenna, to George, to Fanos, a lot of people, guys, to Alexander. Guys, today we have closed the majority of the Forex pairs. As you know, every day I'm trading 10 Forex pairs. And as you can see, I have trades on only 4 of them. This means that we have closed 6 of them. I know some of you asked me in the morning, I have asked you in the morning if you have followed me on any of these pairs. So guys, if you are listening to me, on which pairs have you made money today? On which pairs have you followed me today? I think some of you followed me on the Kiwi. Others followed me on Euro dollar and pound dollar. Share with us your profits. Hello, Daniel. On which pairs have you followed me? I don't remember. I think it was Euro dollar and pound dollar. Correct me if I'm wrong. Great. Pound dollar, a straightforward trade, no reversals, 5 lots. How much you have made from, how much? $850 from both, you say? Excellent. So Daniel made $850 from both straightforward positions, pound dollar and euro dollar. What about the rest of you guys? Congratulations, Daniel. Well done. What about the rest of you? I think someone has followed me on the Kiwi as well. So guys, share with us. We are very happy to hear that you have made money. Who has followed me on the Kiwi? Kiwi is the New Zealand USD. Just share it with us, guys. We are very happy to hear that you are following us and making money. So we have closed positions on pound dollar, on pound yen, on euro dollar, on pound Aussie. You have traded New Zealand Japanese yen, Daniel, making $110. All right, although I'm not trading that pair, well done, my friend. Good job. It seems that really the one-to-one session assisted you a lot. Excellent, excellent. Euro yen, pound Aussie, and New Zealand. So basically, guys, we are left with only 4 FX pairs, and we will let them develop. Okay, so patience is the key. Tomorrow, any forex pairs that we don't have positions of my 10 list, remember that I'm trading all these pairs that you can see here. Tomorrow, for example, we will trade again euro dollar, dollar CAD and dollar yen, dollar CHF, we have positions. We will trade again the Kiwi, we will trade again the pound dollar, euro yen, Aussie dollar we have. We will trade, for example, again pound yen, and we will trade again pound Aussie. So for the moment, what I will do for this afternoon session, I will not be triggering any new positions, not because I don't want to do that, but I believe that the movements have already been made. The CPI of the United States, Daniel, is that a question if I am still long or if you are still long on pound dollar? As you can see, Daniel, I don't have any positions on pound dollar. You are still long pound dollar. Okay, let's see the closing price of pound dollar. Where is it? 132.31. Now it's 36. On and off. Okay, it's your choice, guys. As I said, good, good. The purpose here is to make money. It's absolutely at your own discretion to follow me or even close any positions that you wish. I'm just showing you the methodology that I'm using as a professional trader for the past 15 years. So, as Elif said, until the end of the week, a very nice offer here at Trademy.com. Free one-to-one session if you upgrade your current training program. Let me repeat that. If you upgrade your current training program until the end of the week, then you can have a free only one session, either with me or with my colleague Elif, always depending on your instrumental trading preferences. So, Daniel is asking me if it's going to go up. Daniel, I will be straight with you. Pound dollar, I got the movement I wanted. I don't know. But what I knew in the morning is that it will go up to this particular level, 132.31.9. Now, I don't know if it will continue to go up. What I know is what I traded. I traded it a bit lower than 132. I put my TP at 1.32319. So I know that this movement was expected. Now, as from here onwards, for the day, for the current day, I don't know how it will react. If you are making money, my philosophy, Daniel, and you know it very well from the one-to-one session we had together, My philosophy, if you trade one pair one day and you make money, don't touch it again. That's what I do. That's why I'm not opening again any pound dollar, any pound yen, any pound Aussie. You understand my point, right? You got the money. It's enough for that pair today. Just leave it for tomorrow. So tomorrow, I will examine the current situation of pound dollar and I will decide accordingly. So my strategy usually is not to open another position on the same pair. Although yesterday, guys, I have entered the second position on pound Aussie, if you remember. But I was trading a price pattern. Remember yesterday we had observed an ascending triangle. So unless I see that, I'm not touching it again. So I'm not seeing a pattern on pound Aussie. I'm not seeing a price pattern on pound yen. I'm not seeing now a price pattern on euro dollar, triangles, pennants, head and shoulders. Do you understand, Daniel? When I'm opening again positions, is it clear? It's very important, guys. So I'm trading again at the same day a particular pair only if I see an important price pattern. Great, Daniel. Great, great. So for the moment, since I'm not observing any price pattern, I'm not touching the pairs that I have closed my positions again. But if I see, for example, a head and shoulders forming on euro dollar breaking to the downside, I must be crazy not to trade that. So unless I see a price pattern, and those of you who had the expert and the start trader course, you will know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about price patterns, bullish and bearish continuation patterns, bullish and bearish reversal patterns. So current positions, we have net long positions on Aussie dollar, a rally through the CPI and then a correction for the moment. We have long positions on dollar CAD. You see the CPI reaction and the housing prices. A sudden decline, found support on the MA50, now is rebounding, currently making some money. We have reverted to net long positions on dollar CHF. Trading range today, guys, the dollar CHF. Trading range. I definitely wanted to get out of this range. So trading range kills intraday traders. It makes the markets really boring. And that was the situation until 3:30. So, and also if you have observed in the chat room, I have made a post that very low directional volatility. Hello, Gabriel, another person from Canada. Amazing. Welcome to our live trading room. So I'm just analyzing my Forex position. So $4 CHF, net long, okay, but I see a trading range. I don't like trading ranges. And the last position I have remaining for the day is a long position on dollar yen. So currently, I have managed to close 6 Forex pairs positions. Our profits, my profits are a bit more than $9,270. If you remember, as I said many times, I don't care what it writes there. I only care what it ends in my pockets. In the morning, at some point, I was minus 11, minus 12. I don't remember. But be patient, keep your money management in place, and keep calm, and of course, follow Trademy. Now, since Gabriel has just joined us, let us repeat once more of the great, amazing offer that Trademy offers until the end of this week. It means that today is Wednesday, you have either tomorrow, Thursday, or Friday, the latest. If you upgrade your current training programs, it is giving you the exciting opportunity to have a free one-to-one session. Today is Thursday. Okay, I'm always one day back from the rest of the world. Okay, today is Thursday. Thank you, Eli, for the correction. So today is Thursday. You have today and tomorrow, guys. 2 days to upgrade your current training program. And if you do that by tomorrow, then you will get the amazing offer of only one unique one-to-one session, either with myself, Kyriakos, or with my colleague, Elif. Is this clear, guys? Just type yes or a no if you have any questions. Is it clear regarding our offer? Is this clear? Just type a yes in the chat room so that we know that you have all understood this amazing offer that Trademy is offering you. All right, so that's all I have for the moment. I'm letting the trades develop. Let's check the news. I don't believe we have any more news announcements. Remember, regarding the news announcements, we are always following them. Thank you, Sean, for your response. It's very much appreciated. So, the news announcements, we are following them from our partners portal website, forexlife.com. And we don't have any important announcements that are affecting my trades, at least. So tomorrow will be a great day. I'm expecting a lot of volatility again at 12:30. We have some news announcements on the United States dollar. We have in the morning, 9 o'clock in the morning UTC time, we have industrial production for the EU. Then we have Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index later in the afternoon, and we will see how the trades will develop. Yes, that's what I mentioned. Alan Elif has corrected me. Today is Thursday. How was your New Zealand USD trade, Alan, by the way? I remember you have entered long positions, right? Or I'm wrong, Alan? Is it you that followed me on New Zealand USD long? All right, maybe I'm wrong. I thought it was you. Anyway, so for today and tomorrow, until tomorrow basically, you have the opportunity, if you upgrade your training programs, to enjoy the unique offer Trademy is offering to you guys, to have a free one-to-one session either with myself or with Elif. I know that, guys. So either today or tomorrow by the latest, the offer will be valid. So that's all I have for the moment. I'm letting the trades develop. We are approaching, I think, the US Open, so we still have a few more minutes. So if you have any questions regarding my trades, my positions, how I'm trading, or if you have placed any more trades on any FX pair other than the ones that I have opened, kindly let me know and I will reply back to you. So, any questions, guys? So, who has followed me on the remaining trades? Any one of you has followed me on the remaining trades? Anyone? If you have followed me on Aussie dollar, for example, on dollar CAD, dollar CHF, dollar yen, remember that the Forex hedging system I'm using always has a pending hedging order at the particular levels you see, exercise price, entry level price, stop loss and TPs. The position sizes you can find about the position size if you use the Excel spreadsheet I have provided you. If you don't have the Excel spreadsheet, you can request it from your account manager. Daniel says is long on Aussie dollar. Okay, we are also net long on Aussie dollar. Initially in the morning I shorted it, but then the system gave a buy reversal position. That's the situation for Aussie dollar, guys. It has climbed to the upside during the CPI. Now we have a small retracement. Let me have a look on the daily chart. It will get there. It will get there. Now, as soon as the pair is trading above the MA of 200 periods on the 15-minute chart, this area is crucial. The 70-80 area is crucial. As soon as it's trading above 70-80, I believe we will get the take profit. Price was 70, entry level price. Okay, Daniel, I'm telling you that if the pair is trading above 0.7080, 7080 is a very important level. Probabilities suggest that as soon as we are above that level, then most probably we will hit our take profit. That's why I have my sell stop hedging order be almost around these levels. But As you can see, guys, those of you who have enrolled into our advanced training programs, we have a whole bunch of MAs supporting this trade now. We have MA10, the middle Bollinger Band, MA200, MA50, MACD confirms, RSI confirms, ADX for the moment is neutral. Is it clear, guys? So that's all I have for the moment. Currently, my best performing trade is my long position on dollar yen, testing now the MA50, and my long positions on dollar CAD within a range. I definitely wanted to get out of the range. Gabriel is asking me, how long do you wait on a sell all buy to develop from negative? Okay. The system that I'm using is calculating the next level automatically. So you will do your maths. Now the next level, let me give you an example. For example, I have entered long position dollar yen at 27.3. I reverse my position if the price goes against me 22 pips. So I will reverse if the price from 273 falls down to 053. So that's why I have my sell stop here. Is it clear, Gabriel? 22 pips. As soon as I enter the market, if the market goes against me 22 pips, I have my sell stop order here. Now, if you would like to know more about this system, because here I'm just trading it, if you would like to know more about this system and how it actually works and what are the mathematics and the mechanisms behind that, we can have a nice one-to-one session in order to tell you everything about that. So that's why I'm reminding you again that you have until tomorrow to upgrade your training programs so that you can have a free one-to-one session with us. Gabriel is asking, so always have a stop loss on every trade is essential. Stop loss and TP for me are essential. A trade, Gabriel, who doesn't have a stop loss or a TP, I'm talking about Forex. If you are a trader that doesn't place a stop loss or TPs, for me, you are a trader without a plan. And based on the traders that I have taught so far, more than 3,500 traders, my philosophy is to always have a stop loss and a TP, both of them. Because if you always have a stop loss, then you don't have a plan for an exit with profit. If you have only TP, then you are not protecting your capital. Stop loss is not a bad thing. For me, stop loss doesn't mean losses. It means capital protection. It means accepting losses. It means I'm not selfish. It means I know what I'm doing. It means I'm using correct position size. For stop loss for me means a lot. We can have, guys, an extensive talk about stop loss. Take profit. TP is take profit. SL is stop loss. TP is take profit. You can see it also on the MT4. This is the stop loss level and this is the TP level. Is it clear, Gabriel? Take profit is the level where you close your position with a profit. Stop loss is a particular price level where you stop your position with a loss. It's a whole strategy behind these levels. If you would like to know more, guys, take advantage of the offer that Trademy is offering to you. Upgrade your programs, then contact your account managers and arrange a one-to-one session with us, and we will explain all these things. So that's all I have for the moment. I'm letting the trades develop. You must always be calm. Don't get upset if you see here a minus 15 or a minus 11 or whatever. If you have joined us in the morning, guys, Daniel, I think at some point there I was losing $11,000, $12,000. Who cares? Exactly. And look what happened now. So keep calm, follow the strategy, and come to one-to-one sessions. It's very important for you to learn from experienced traders how to apply theory, because theory is one thing and how professional traders are doing it is another thing. So that's all we have for the moment. And I will give a small pass to Elif. Elif, do you have any upgrades? Okay, let's go to Elif.
Hey guys, here I am, and I see Daniel made 11K. Good job, Daniel. Good job. Great. So guys, the US opening is coming close. We closed until now for today $18,000, and the US opening is coming close. Get ready to make some extra money. Get ready, get ready. So for that, what we do, guys, you know what we do for all the newbies. Sean, Rachel, no, Rachel, you have been trading with us already a few times. Ola, Ganji, Johinda, and also Gabriel from Canada. Hello, welcome. And also for Alexander, just a small update. As I said, I'm trading the opening on US shares and US indices, and for that I'm getting now my screen ready for this. I see that my DAX position is very close to hit take profit. I put the take profit at 1,211, I believe. Now during the opening it might hit. Yesterday, this is the chart of USA 30, the Dow Jones. Yesterday it dropped extremely. You see here how extremely it dropped, and now I have to see if it's a sell-off or a kick-off. And also USA 100. USA 100. I will go long on USA 100. Also on Dow Jones, I just went long. Gold didn't react to the opening, not yet. I might open extra position on gold later on. I have already a buy position, which is right now losing some money. Okay, on USA 100, we make already $200, $300, $400. We make already $400 on USA. What, $500? Let's put our take profit. Where we put our take profit on USA 100, I will put my take profit at 7,070. 7,070 is my take profit on USA 100. So on USA 30, I have to see what I will do. On USA 30, I have to decide what I will do. I'm losing quite a lot on this position. It had a huge drop from the moment I started. I'm losing, although now it catched up a bit. So it is traded quite low, USA 30. So let me see, I will put also here my take profit at 25,597. 97 is my take profit on this position, and I'm aiming here $1,800. Somehow the market is a bit crazy, guys. We had yesterday a massive sell-off. Yesterday afternoon, we had a massive sell-off. And now the markets are trying to catch up this sell-off. We see what will happen. So now we started to catch up a bit. We catched up a bit, especially on USA 30. We catch up slowly. What's happening with our let's check also oil during this kind of movement. It's always interesting also to have an oil. Okay, oil is moving downwards. Guys, I'm planning to hedge USA 30. I'm planning to hedge USA 30. It's not developing as good as I wanted to develop. I'm planning to hedge. I just wait for a better entry level for that. Okay. Basically, it's not clear. I don't want to. You see, let's have a general look on USA 30. You see there is a small uptrend, a very small slight uptrend. During the opening, we didn't got extreme drop. That's why I'm not really convinced about a hedge position on USA 30 on Dow Jones. No, the market is too unsecure to take a clear reaction. No, I will not hedge right now. USA 30, I will not hedge it. I will check it out, and I will explain you why I'm not going to hedge USA 30. As I said, it has an uptrend. You see this uptrend, and it didn't drop. We didn't have a reversal during opening to go again for a sell position. It kept it, and that's why I went long, and I will keep it. I will not open a new position. No, I will not keep it. I will leave it there. I will leave it there, and then we see. We see. Great, guys, great. So, I'm still looking at USA. It's a bad start in the afternoon. It's a very, very bad start in the afternoon. But we will see how it will develop. We'll be there. However, Kyriakos, do you have any updates?
So basically, the trades, as I said, are still developing, guys. So we have a small pullback on the dollar for the moment. Dollar seems to be strengthening again. The really strength pair is the dollar CHF. We had a spike to the upside. We have reversed to long position, but it seems to have difficulties in continuing further up. And why? Because we have the MAs here. So huge resistances up to 99 for the dollar CHF. But as you can see, for the moment, we are net long. If it breaks these resistances, then it's a matter of minutes to hit our take profit. But as you can see, I always have a sell stop hedging order. If we see daily lows, because the lows of the dollar CHF is here, it seems that here is a very strong support level for today, around 98.50. That's why I have a bit higher than that my sell stop order. If we see a decline up to this point, then I believe it will break and go down. So it will be very interesting tomorrow to see the behavior of dollar CHF. Talking about probabilities, technical analysis shows me that using the current data I have in front of me, I have a bearish consensus of the MAs, a line bearish setup. However, all the rest do not confirm that. Why? I have bullish parabolic SARS. I have MACDs below zero, but is increasing, meaning that the bearish momentum is weakening. RSI is currently standing a bit lower than 50, which is not sufficient to confirm any bearish momentum. And most importantly, the ADX indicator shows me very weak directional movement. So it's really a big question mark how dollar CHF will move for today until tomorrow. So in order to get this answer, I'm keeping the positions open as I always do, and we will check them tomorrow. Now, the same scenario applies for Aussie dollar. However, the difference between Aussie dollar is that I have more signals, more technical indications supporting net long positions than dollar CAD. And what are these? Number one, the price trading above the MA of 200 periods, bullish parabolic SARS, MACD is above zero but declining, so we don't have a confirmation on MACD. However, we have a confirmation on RSI, which is currently trading at 57 levels. So then ADX again indicates a very weak directional movement. So we have more indications on Aussie dollar supporting for the moment, net long positions. And also I have a long position on dollar yen. Now, dollar yen again is a big question mark for me because the moving averages have a bearish attitude, but again, I don't receive confirmation from the majority. Only the moving averages give me a bearish trend, a bearish direction. Parabolic is up, MACD is up, RSI is at 50, and directional movement, it's a mess, no clear signals. So our conclusion is that certainly a big move is expected. Now, whether these will be in our existing directional positioning on Forex or whether we will need to hedge again and go from the other way, this will be answered only by time. One thing is for sure, either way they go, we will make money. That's one thing that is certain, and that's a major advantage of the Forex hedging risk cyclical trading system that I'm currently using, guys, and that I'm currently presenting to you. So, for the moment, we are net long on Aussie dollar, we are long on dollar CAD, we are net long on dollar CHF, and we are long on dollar yen. As you can see, for every Forex pair that I'm trading, I have an open position. I always have my hedging levels and orders. This is the entry level of the hedging positions. These are the stop losses levels, and these are the take profits levels. So that's all I have for the moment, guys. I don't have anything else personally to add. I'm letting the trades develop. I don't believe today we will have from now onwards the volatility to enjoy more profits. We had the volatility we wanted at 330. Look at during the CPI announcements, you see how many positions have closed during the CPI announcement, 330, 344. So currently we made at least $9,273 for the day. Yesterday we made $10,000. We will see how they will develop, and I will update you. We see some volatility now on dollar yen. Let's check Aussie dollar. Something is going on. They started to move a bit now. All right. We want them to move, guys. I hope we get some profits. Aussie dollar is developing nicely for the moment, resuming its uptrend. Let's see, however, if this will continue. So, has any of you any positions on the remaining 4 Forex pairs? Anyone? And if yes, on which ones, please? I would like to repeat that it's at your absolute discretion whether or not to follow me on any of my trades. I'm just showing you how I'm personally trading here based on my personal trading style. And it's at your own personal discretion to either follow me or not. You can close the position at any time you wish, either with a loss, or if you are satisfied with the profits you get currently, you can close them at any time you wish. So another reminder that until tomorrow, Trademy offers a great opportunity for you guys. If you upgrade your training programs until tomorrow, Friday, then you can get a free one-to-one session either with myself or with Elif, always depending on your instrumental trading preferences. So that's all I have for the moment. Elif, do you have any current updates for the moment? Okay, so guys, we will be here for you. Stand by. We still have, I think, around 10 more minutes. If we have any updates, we'll go live again. Okay, you have updates, Elif? Let's go, guys, with Elif. She has us.
Hey guys, here we are. I'm just telling you, we made today until now, we made $18,000. We are looking now to USA 30 to make here some money on USA 30 and on USA 100. We still need to pay off the spread. As you remember, we had a big loss, and now it's okay, but we need still to pay off the spread, and then we will get there. Also, gold is catching up. So it took us a bit time, but you see, USA 100 is crazily going up, and we are there to make some money. We are there. There we go. USA 30 make money. I told you guys, it's just a matter of patience to wait. It was a huge sell-off yesterday. Today, slowly, they catched up. But during the opening, the drop down was not big enough to make a direction and make a move. It's just a small move, which was the case, and we need now to wait with patience to close our profits. It will get there. Let me see. We will get there, and we will make some money here also on USA 100 and also on USA 30. We will make money. We are making now on USA 100 already $3,300. Soon we will get more. And I'm even thinking of increasing my exposure for gold. I'm going long again on gold, guys. I'm going long again on gold. Just opened again a long position on gold. Let me see. Let me see where I will put my take profit on. Ooh, we are making money, guys. We are making money. On USA 100, we are making $700. On gold, we are making $800. Guys, we are very close to hit our take profit. There we go. There we go. We are hitting our take profit on USA 100. Come on. On gold, we are making $1,000 profit. There we go. We hit our take profit on USA 100, $1,000. We made $1,000 on USA 100. Now on gold we are making 1,300. Let's put here a take profit. I will put a small take profit, guys. I told you gold is already traded so high that we have to take action, and I'm trading here. I will put here my take profit at 1,209.25. This is my take profit. So on USA 30, we are making right now $1,000. How much we made until now? This is the total amount of yesterday and today. Let's see. Let's see. I want to see the result of today. I made $19,000. I want my $20,000 to play Sinatra for you guys. I want Sinatra. I think you guys all want Sinatra. On gold, we are very close to hit our take profit. We hit, ching, ching, we hit our take profit. And see there, guys, we hit another take profit on USA 30, guys. $23,000. $23,000. Ching, ching. Who is coming now? Who's coming now, guys? Who's coming? Sinatra is coming. Sinatra is coming. Every time when we hit $20,000, we get a Sinatra song, guys. Sinatra song. If you have any other wishes, just let me know. Just let me know. Was a nice one. We made some money. Where is Sinatra? There we go. There we go. Kyriakos, this is for you. Sinatra is his favorite artist, Frank Sinatra.
Let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Fill my heart with song. Let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words,
Frank Sinatra, we had a very nice afternoon, made $23,000 so far, and most of our trades today were booked on gold. Look at these, guys, look at this. We had positions on France, on gold, on DAX, and on USA 100, USA 30, $23,000. Not bad, not bad. And I hope you could enjoy the trade with us, and you could enjoy making money with us. And hopefully soon we will be here, and you will know how to do those trades by your own, and know what to do and how to trade. Guys, once again, until the end of this week, you have the unique chance to, with any upgrade you do on your courses, to get a one-to-one session with me or with Kyriakos here, our Forex guru, and you will learn how to cook with the charts, how to trade with these assets and make money out of it. So use this unique chance until the end of this week to get a one-to-one session for free for any updates you do. So Kyriakos, from my side, there we go, another one position hit, take profit. That's it, take profit, $1,200. Also on that, ching, nice one, guys. So let's see what will bring us today. So we made $25,000 so far, $25,000, and you see the movement on USA 100 still goes on. So I see that Kyriakos, he has some updates for you from myself, guys. I'm wishing you all a nice afternoon. See you tomorrow, and we will enjoy tomorrow, the volatile day of the week.
Okay, guys, so these are the current positions that I have opened, and I'm letting them develop. From my part today, we have also managed to make some profits. Of course, they are not $25,000, and we made $9,270, which is also a nice number in the Forex trading desk. So I'm letting these trades develop. We have closed positions on 6 pairs: pound dollar, pound yen, euro dollar, pound Aussie, euro yen, and the Kiwi. A very nice trading day as well here. So don't forget our special offer. If you upgrade your training programs by tomorrow, by Friday, tomorrow, then you can have a free one-to-one session, either with myself or with Elif. Thank you very much for being with us. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you have made some money. I would like to wish you all the best for the rest of your day, and we will see you again live tomorrow for more money-making trades. Have a nice afternoon, and I wish you all to be full in health and see you all healthy here tomorrow. Gabriel is asking me, so before I start, should I do research on the markets? It's up to you, Gabriel, but it's highly recommended. However, if you don't know how to analyze properly CFDs, indices, commodities, or Forex instruments, it's a good opportunity with our special offer, Gabriel, to have a one-to-one session with us. So we will see you again tomorrow at 8, write down the hour, guys, 8 a.m. UTC time. Thank you very much for being with us, and we will see you again tomorrow in the morning at 8 a.m. UTC time with more profitable trades and positions. Have a nice afternoon. Be well, and we will see you tomorrow. Thank you.